So here we are back at the homepage of the Sermon Manager, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to add some preachers. This is what we're going to do. Preachers really just mean speaker. Doesn't really have to mean a preacher. It's just whoever's actually doing the speaking, whoever has created the lesson, the teaching here is what that's going to be. And now you're going to get these when you come into this screen. You're going to get these you're going to get these three different areas here. Now, literally, the only thing you have to do in this system is give a name. That's all you have to do. You don't have to do anything else. So I'm going to go ahead and add in Linda here. Okay. And I'm going to click Add New Preacher. Okay. Now you're going to notice all of a sudden up here, we've got this option right here to associate an image. And I'm going to click on that. And I'm going to come over here. We have a picture of Linda right here, already in here, and we're going to come right down here. We're just going to leave that at full size, okay? And we're going to click Associate with Linda Liu. That's what we're going to do. And then we're just going to click off there, and now we've got a picture associated with her account. Now, if we come here, we can go to Edit. Remember, Edit and the title of the item do the exact same thing. Don't really know why they put that there, but it just does the exact same thing. You're going to notice that a slug, which is necessary for, which is a URL-friendly version of the name, which is necessary for WordPress to associate her. That'll give not only will she have a page in there, but it's going to. Anytime WordPress needs to associate something with a URL version of it, it can't have any spaces, and you don't want anything capitalized. So that's why what it does is it takes any spaces and it adds a dash there, and then it makes everything lowercase. That's what that's doing, and that's just a computer-friendly version of the name. You don't want to change that, and you can choose what that is if you want to, but really it's best just to let the system choose it and never worry about it. Description here isn't really going to be relevant. You can add a description in there if you want to. But the preachers already have, all the pastors already have their own pages with pictures and descriptions and all of that. So this is just being used right here just for the Sermon Manager is what it is. And I'm going to come into Sermons here now, and I'm going to come to the last sermon we were using, which is Test Sermon 3. And I'm going to come down now to where it says Preachers, and I'm going to click Add. And so here we go. We can use from the most used preachers, but there's been no one added yet, so we're just going to type in Linda. Yep. And all of a sudden you're going to see we're going to get this drop down. Even if I don't type in the whole name, you're going to see we're going to get a drop down with Linda's name in there because she's entered into the system. Okay, and the reason that when we click choose from the most frequent preachers, the reason that we're getting no tags found is because we haven't used any preachers in the system yet. This is the first time we used it. So I'm going to click there, and if there was more than one, you could add more than one. You'd simply separate them in comment, but when you're done, you're just going to click Add, and it's going to add that there. And then you're going to go ahead and click Update. Now we can go and we can view the sermon here. And now we see we have Linda right there, denoting that it was done by Linda. We get her picture right there, right above the actual audio for the sermon. So that is how you add preachers to the system and associate them with sermons.